Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to send pictures in Character.AI. So first, what you want to do is go to any chat right here or character that you want, and as you can see there are no options for you to upload a picture. If I click on here, there's nothing. Well, if you want to fix that, you just need to go to the URL here on top and find the number 2 here. So it's here for me, so I'm just going to remove that and just click on enter and wait for it to reload. Might take some time. You just need to wait for it to reload. Could just reload it again. Check. And if it's not working, if it worked for you, then that's good. But if it's not working, just need to click on back to old site, so it will redirect you to the old Character.AI. Wait for it to load. And boom. Now let's try again. As you can see, there the option is now here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.